Toys on the floor, oh what a mess. Let's clean up now and do our best. Books on the shelf, cranes in the box. Wipe the table, sweep the floor. A tidy room we all adore. Work together, me and you. Cleaning's easy, fun to do. Everything in its place, hooray! Clean up, everyone!